Hello, Sandy Morgan. Qbox is a secure PC desktop application that allows you to share real-time QuickBooks Desktop files as well as PDFs, images, Excel, and Word files with other users across the internet. When those files are being used, Qbox locks the file. When you're done using the file, Qbox syncs those changes and unlocks the file for others to edit. When one person has the file open for editing, including a QuickBooks file, other people who have access to the shared folder can look at the files, but they can't change it. Changes can only be performed by one person at a time. So Qbox acts as a gatekeeper to lock, sync, and unlock the files. I'm going to show you briefly how to copy files into Qbox. To copy QuickBooks company files into Qbox, open the QuickBooks Explorer window. Select Copy QuickBooks Files from the File menu, and select the location that you want Qbox to look in for the QuickBooks company file. Qbox will bring up a list of all the QBW files on your computer. Select the one that you want to share, and in the right-hand window, select the folder in Qbox that you want it to be stored. Once you select Copy, you can close this window. The Qbox file is now in that folder. It's important that you open the QuickBooks file from inside the Qbox Explorer and not by using the regular QuickBooks software icon on your desktop. To copy other documents into Qbox, simply find them on your computer, right-click, select Copy, go back to the Qbox Explorer, and paste into the folder that you want it to be located. Sharing documents and QuickBooks Desktop files has never been so easy. I encourage you to try out Qbox today. This has been Sandy Morgan with a Software Solutions review of Qbox.